Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Steve Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com. I did make a video earlier when I was waiting in the parking lot at Target this morning to get a few things. That's like the secret of places to go to, because there's barely anyone there. But what I want to do, I want to real quickly get into it, because I know a lot of people busy, or I don't know, get a lot of complaints about just getting into personal stuff, so I'm going to jump right into it with this video. I don't care about it on the other video. I'm going to jump right into it on this one. Is that they're going to be releasing the money to people within 2 to 3 weeks, and if you have if you file taxes and you use direct deposit, it'll go to you through that same account. If you change the accounts, I do not know what would happen then. If you change banks, or if you had a card that you used once before and it's not active from a tax preparer that you use, I don't know what's going to happen with that. I'm talking to a tax prep company that's next to my office. He's been real busy, so he didn't get a chance to get back in touch with me yet, but I'll let you know. But we do know that if you did not do direct deposit, it's going to take up to 4 months to get to people, and the reason why is because they claim that the IRS only has, or the Treasury only has the ability to send 20 million checks per month. And the thing is that there's other checks that are supposed to go out for people that are on disability, Social Security, those types of checks. So they're going to have to increase the capacity. The other thing that I want to talk about is that you don't use the stimulus money, and you need to conserve as much of your money as possible and get payment deferments. I talked about the payment deferments, and some of the questions that people asked me was, if I get a payment deferment, let's just say you get one for 3 months on your mortgage. On the 4th month, are they going to try to make you pay the 3 months that you didn't pay? No, it's going to start fresh where you're at. And even better than what it was in the past with most of the lenders is that they're even pausing the interest that they would have charged you. So on that 4th month, it's like you're starting like you never missed it. They'll just, put the payments on the end of your loan. It's like you're just taking a pause for 3 to 6 months, whatever amount that they give you. You can do this for your car payment. You can do this for your credit card, payday loans, student loans, medical bills, all types of stuff. What you should do is you should write on a sheet of paper every bill that you have to pay by tomorrow, which is the 1st, if you have them on the 1st or some time during that period of time. And at least for all of the major ones, you should call them up and see what you can get deferred. Now, there's a program that I have available that the reason why I made the program is because of what happened in 2008, is that even though people got payment deferments during that downturn, some of the things that had happened is that they had went back on their word. Once the companies got their bailout money, they had went back on their word of what they were supposed to do for people, and some people ended up getting hurt. They had even had robocalls for mortgages and different things that was going on robo signing to take people's properties to foreclose, when all they had to do was to ask for a deferment. Don't just stop making your payments because you don't have the money. You should get the deferments and push this out, just like they're pushing it out to try to say we need to stay in our houses for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. You need to talk to your creditors and get that extension also for yourself. They're going to understand it, but if you just don't pay the bill, you're putting yourself in a bad situation, because then they don't have to give you a deferment because you're in default of your loan. So call them now. You need to do this now. And I have a link below this video if you need help on what you need to be able to do, how to do it, how to call them, what to ask for, what to say, who to send it to, how to document it, and everything. You get that program. It's only $39.95, one-time cost, but at least it's going to be done the right way. And I guarantee you, especially if you have a mortgage or car payment, you're going to make 100 times more than the $39 that it cost you for the program. So please like this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with some new videos over the next few days, digging into different programs that are available for people, talking more about the deferments, answering more questions, and we're going to make sure that everybody makes it through this. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel, post your comments and questions. Thank you, and until next time, this is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the CreditRepairShop.com.